Sapphire.
Big bad black nigga, I'm quite famished. I still need the dough, my niggas, I need pennies. That's why I keep on pushing, then I never eject it. Never reject it, gotta respect it. Be gentle like testes and put it in their mouth so these niggas can test it. And tell everybody that we the best at rapping. Record breaking, we are never napping.
Fundo ngabe kwalo vike bevula begadla ngamagama qothongisa ungasabiswa wena nsizwa umsanelo zinkunzi umsanelo zipitbull phezu kwebhiza ngishiye peace ngi-ill ngeskill ngidedela ama-flows achili uzomunga mungabheki leni ndlela ebushelelezi.
You running on a slippery slope just like Sonic. Gikaratega, boxing with these beats every time I bet and washaya ngama punches. I'm giving you the lecture. Lalela manteta, cause I rest the roof up, no hidden agenda. Indlela ziyakhanya zikomnyama like a vendor. When I'm on my way, so we stand out like a ish thing. Still bazobiter, I bayadelela, no they are twisted like a rasta. Ending on those zabos, it's proper like a pasta.
Mamela bukela umsanelo sekugcwalisela u-empty welat ukuhlanganisa igama ngiza ngokusondela ngina reverse njengegoose zokukenye ubethathi njengey'ntambo zebhuzu lyrical ngumsanelo zopheka ukhari pheka into emnandi mina ngisabe kwabhari MK dadothi wenza wani mfana ke kwi-mastering sine-magic senza izinto ezingakholeki.
Okay msanelo osinqede amashoni igrab imike ngirap ngibhenge kube ngathi angiboni. I'm playing with the words like isingane crashy. The only mehluko ukuthi ngikhipha into freshy like aqua freshy. Now we just flexing, giving your lesson. I-rap yayi-passion kodwa iskill uyashnyusa and maneuver like the bhutu mansamusa la serula like Yeshua but uyasusa.
Lale phethi yenza simba chips yenza ngivala ucango yenza ngaphumela emnyango yenza ngiqopha umlando yenza kubhilite nobafo ngiyasho uyothi ngasho mase ngilayo yolo lapho ngiyobe ngidlalisa iyoyo 1 2 3 4 5 ngibala amameter never ngaquita sigcino ngizowina ngiyafila phethe nefila ngilola ama hate ngiyaspita ngiyaspita